Hello everyone. Let's start this lecture with the wise words of Richard Branson. Train people well enough so they can leave. Treat them well enough so they don't want to. This perfectly captures the balance businesses must strike to build and retain a talented team. In this lecture, we will explore strategies for recruiting the right talent and promoting their growth to create a high-performing team. Let's get this started. Understand the recruitment process and how to attract top talent. Learn strategies for retaining skilled employees. Explore techniques for developing employees' potential and ensuring long-term success. Talented recruitment is part and parcel of long-term success. Without the right people, even the best strategies and resources can fall short. Businesses that prioritize these areas not only gain a competitive edge but also build a positive workplace culture. Consider Google, known for its rigorous recruitment process and employee-friendly policies. Its ability to attract and retain top talent is one of the key reasons behind its consistent success. Hiring the right people begins with a well thought out recruitment strategy. Here is what businesses do to attract top candidates. A clear and detailed job description helps candidates understand the role and its expectations. For example, a marketing agency hiring a social media manager should specify content creation, analytics tracking, and campaign strategy responsibilities. Added to that, posting job ads on platforms like LinkedIn, attending job fairs, and leveraging employee referrals ensures a wider reach. For instance, startups often use professional networks and university partnerships to find fresh talent. Beyond skills, it is essential to assess how well a candidate aligns with the company's values and culture. A retail company emphasizing customer satisfaction would benefit from hiring people with strong interpersonal skills and a positive attitude. Last but not least, structured interviews with standardized questions help evaluate candidates fairly. For example, an IT firm might ask problem solving questions relevant to the role, such as debugging scenarios for a developer position. Attracting talent is only the first step. Remember, retaining valuable employees is very important for long term stability and success. High turnover not only disrupts operations but also increases cost. Let's learn how. Fair pay and benefit packages are key motivators for employees. Companies like Salesforce offer performance bonuses, healthcare benefits, and stock options to keep their workforce engaged. That being said, employees only grow in workplaces that promote collaboration, inclusivity, and recognition. For example, HubSpot is known for its focus on work life balance and employee well being, making it a desirable workplace to work. Similarly, providing clear career paths, mentorship, and training programs encourages employees to stay and grow within the organization. For instance, Amazon offers programs to help warehouse employees transition into corporate roles. Acknowledging achievements, whether through bonuses, promotions, or verbal praise, boosts morale and loyalty. Employee development equips team members with the skills and knowledge they need to excel. It also prepares them for future leadership roles, ensuring long-term organizational success. Workshops, online courses, and on-the-job training helps employees stay up to date with industry trends. For example, a healthcare company might train staff on the latest medical technologies to improve patient care. Regular feedback sessions help employees identify areas for improvement and growth. Companies like Adobe have replaced traditional annual reviews with ongoing performance check-ins. Identifying high potential employees and grooming them for leadership roles ensures continuity and reduces dependency on external hires. IBM is renowned for its comprehensive talent management approach. The company invests heavily in training programs, provides mentorship opportunities, and rewards innovation. IBM's focus on employee growth and retention has made it a leader in the tech industry for decades. Think of talent management as tending to a garden. Recruitment is like planting seeds. You select the best ones for your soil. Retention is about watering and nurturing those plants so they grow strong. Employee development is like fertilizing the soil, ensuring the plants flourish and bear fruit. Without care, the garden withers, just as businesses would without its people. Choose a company or industry and research its recruitment and retention strategies. Write a short analysis of what makes their approach successful or how it could be improved. Alright, tell us, what do you think is the most challenging part of talent management? Recruitment, retention, or development? Have you observed any company excelling in these areas? Share your thoughts in the comment section. In summary, Recruitment and talent management are essential for building a skilled and motivated workforce. In this lecture, we explore the strategies for hiring the right people, retaining them, and developing their potential. That marks the end of this lecture. See you in the next one.